We're at the college day for the senior creative event, and we have been doing different tasks. So I've been doing printmaking and drama. I found it very informative and it has been very fun. I would like to do primary teaching, so I did drama and printmaking, which will help tie in to things I can do with the children once I've finished my uni course. I do think it's important for the school and colleges to work together, as it gives children who are maybe thinking of coming to college a bit more of an insight on what it might be like later on.
I'm Nicola and I study HND Acting and Performance. So today for the past hour we've been working with S5 and S6 and introducing them to the world of drama, and all been working together trying different exercises. I think schools coming into college is so important, as I wish I had that opportunity when I was coming into the course, because I had no clue what I was coming into, but I think today they've got a wee idea of what life would be like as a drama student, or extra things that you could build on for your life.